Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to combine Sora's video generation with music and audio prompts to make your AI videos look and feel truly cinematic. So let's just dive right in. So you can open up sora.chatgpt.com for that. You can go ahead and access it up and log in into your account if you're not logged in. And currently, OpenAI Sora focuses mainly on visuals. It generates video, but not full audio yet. So we can make cinematic videos by planning the sound while writing the prompts and adding music or effects in the post-production. So what you can do is you can just go ahead and create a video first. You can go ahead and look out for this option right here where you can type in different prompts that you would like to create. For example, something like this. So right now I have created a prompt. Let me just show you. Or create a cinematic ocean views or something like that. You can type in different kind of prompts. Right now I typed in the prompt for a slow motion scene of waves crashing, matching the rhythm of a deep cinematic score. So you can just go ahead and create up a video. Once this has been created, you can look out for this create a video option from this image. For example, let me just show you from one of them that I've already created. You can just go and click on create a video and you can select the option for variation 1 or variation 2, and you can even describe your video and type in. After that, you can just go ahead and generate the video, etc., and upload it up. Give in the direction for the video to be created. You can wait for some certain minutes for it to be completed, and that should do it. And once the video has been downloaded, let me just show you. Once the video has been created, you can just go over and download the video. So even if Sora does not generate sound, the visuals will match your audio perfectly when you add it later. So what you can do is you can think a prompt like detecting a music video. For example, for this video right here, you can select the variation, and in this optionally describe your video section, what you can do is you can type in different things such as tempo, the emotion, and the moment. So if you want a cinematic drone shot, you can type in a cinematic drone shot, and with gentle music, something like that. You can just go ahead and type in that, and even smooth transitions. After that, you just need to set up the quality and everything, and you can hit send. And once your video is ready, you can import it to your video editor like CapCut or DaVinci. Once the video has been completed and you have saved it, you can open up CapCut or DaVinci or other video editing applications, and there you can just go ahead and simulate the rhythm in the Sora by describing it, and that way you can make your video cinematic and combine 3 layers and make a video for yourself. And that's it. And when you merge it together, it should feel like a very cinematic AI video. You can even look out for examples here. For example, this is the one right here. This is a perfect example you can look out for and try creating a similar kind of video, or the idea that you have on your own mind. And that's it. So this tutorial helped. Make sure to like and also subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos, and see you in the next one.